The product of two numbers is 102. One number is 11 more than the other. A. Write an equation whose solution gives the smaller number x. So let's let the small number be x, which means that the larger number would be equal to x plus 11, since it's 11 more. And we know that the product of these two numbers, which implies multiplication, so x times x plus 11, the product of these two numbers is equal to 102. So answer to part A, x times the quantity x plus 11 equals 102. Part B, solve the equation. So I'll recopy the equation. We have x times x plus 11 equals 102. And now we'll use the distributive property on the left, giving us x squared plus 11x equals 102. So here we have a quadratic equation that we will try to solve by factoring. So we'll set the equation equal to 0. So we have x squared plus 11x, subtract 102 from both sides, and that equals 0. We'll now try to factor this quadratic, and we can factor this quadratic. Our factors end up being x plus 17 and an x minus 6. Again, x times x gives us x squared. Inside terms positive 17x, outside terms negative 6x, giving us positive 11x, and positive 17 times negative 6 is negative 102. We'll now set each factor equal to 0. So we have x plus 17 equals 0, or x minus 6 equals 0, giving us two possible solutions. X is equal to negative 17, or x is equal to positive 6. So we get two sets of answers. Let's let x be negative 17, and we'll go back up to the top. And the small number is x, so one possibility would be let's let x be negative 17, and then negative 17 plus 11 would be negative 6. So one possible solution, negative 17 and negative 6. Another possible solution is to let x be equal to 6. So if x is our smaller number and we let x be 6, then 6 plus 11 would be equal to positive 17. So both negative 17 and negative 6 have a product of 102, and so do positive 6 and positive 17.